Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. I have my very last Boxycharm. That didn't sound good, did it? I have my very last Boxycharm. They sent me this honkin' big box. I mean, this is just one of the biggest boxes I've ever gotten from them. Yeah, it's big. So let's see what's in there. This is the March Boxycharm base and the last one. So now going forward, in April, we will be getting, instead of getting the Boxycharm base and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is what I get both of those, I'll just get one thing. I don't know if it'll be a box. I don't know if it'll be in a one of those plastic mailers or what, but it will be called Boxycharm by Ipsy. And it will be the same price at the moment. I don't know how long that's gonna last, but it'll be $28 and $1.99 shipping and handling. So in this giant box, there is this foam that doesn't really do anything. And there's a little sneak peek of what's in there. I do see some things I like. All right, good. You know, my March box seemed to be what was left over in the warehouse. And I sort of was thinking maybe this would be the same, but maybe not, maybe not. So in this box this time, there's a Boxycharm card and there is an Ipsy card. So this is the same card I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And this, you know, great on your own, gorgeous together, Ipsy and Boxy, same price, more perks it says. And then here's what it tells you about the levels and stuff. And we already know all about that. If you have any questions, just ask me. I think I know what's all going on. So there, Boxy had 3 boxes, Ipsy had 3 bags, 3 boxes, whatever you want to call it. And now they're combined and they're going to only be 3. So instead of 6. So we'll see how it goes and we'll see if people like it and all that good stuff. But anyway, here is the card for March. Says Planet Woman. Now, I don't know that I think I watched 1 or 2 people, but sometimes you get some of the same things. So I didn't really want to look. So with the March Boxycharm base, I got to pick 1 item. And now going forward in April, it'll be like the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus where you pick 3 items. They'll give you 2 and they're supposed to be like power players, something like that. So what I picked, the choices were a First Aid Beauty cleansing oil or the Il Makiage volumizing mascara, which I like. So I got the mascara, of course. You know, I want to get makeup in Boxycharm. So this says that it's a new brand of Boxy. Is it really? Maybe I have gotten this several times before, so maybe I've gotten an Ipsy. I'm not sure. But anyway, it's $27 value. And it's a very nice mascara. I like it. Here it is. It's very pretty. Just, there's the name, Il Makiage. It's all silver, hard to see with the ring light on. There's the box, okay? Il Makiage. $27, okay. Then I'll just grab what's next in here that I can see. And I have Aceology. I like this. This is Aceology Hyaluronic Acid Intensive Repairing Biodegradable Mask. This hydrates, renews, and plumps. It says that there's 4 one-piece masks. Okay, so let's see. Aceology is a great brand. Yeah, there are 4 in there. And these are expensive, y'all. This is $59 for 4. Now, where they come up with that $59? Because, you know, what does that make it? $14.75 a mask. So I wouldn't pay that much for that. But Aceology is expensive like that. So I'm happy to get it in a box. And I paid $28 for this box and $1.99 handling. So $59 for this. Yeah, I would never buy these on my own. I could never afford to buy this on my own. So I'm happy to get that. And then we have 2 smaller products. Let's see what they are. This is, I'm not sure what this is as I can't read it. Okay, let's see. Let me show it to you and then I'll see what it is on here. This is Reina Rebeldi. Rebeldi? This is Mordita Lip Stain. This is valued at $16. It says that it's a new brand of Boxy. A Whisper Light Moisturizing Lip Stain. Goodness sakes, that's beautiful. But I don't, can you read that? This should have been in the October box. So let's see. Oh, how pretty. It has a rose on the end. Both ends have roses. And it's a lip stain. Let's see if it has a color. Oh, the box, it's so pretty. And look at how pretty that is inside. It has the roses again. Very, very pretty. And this is it. It's beautiful. I have so many lip glosses though, y'all. I'm not opening it. I got to do a video on all the lip glosses that I have going on. This is, I think that it says Mordita lip stain, and then underneath it, it says Chupette. So I'm going to say that's the name of the color, Chupette. You see right there. But it's gorgeous. It's my color. It's a color that I would like to use. But I'm not going to use it right now. Love, love, love the packaging. Very, very pretty. And next we have this. This is Koa Life Mist Me Rejuvenating Toner. Natural, vegan, cruelty-free, chemical-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free. This go-to daily hydrating facial mist is anti-aging, prevents blemishes, and nourishes the skin with calming plant ingredients. It promotes blood flow and cellular regeneration, supports collagen fibers to correct and reduce the appearance of aging, and leaves your skin absolutely glowing. $35, new brand to Boxy. Well, like everything in here is new to Boxy. Well, not the Aceology. But let's see what that looks like. Oops. Why did I have to rip it? I have too many toners going right now also, so I just can't get this open. I'm ripping both sides. So if you get this in a giveaway, you will know I haven't used it. Oh, well, it's pretty. Just, you know, plain packaging. I believe that oh yeah, that's glass. And I always love glass. Who doesn't love glass? Koa Life, Mist Me. So it sounds fabulous, and there it is. I'm putting it back in the box. I think it's probably better for things like that not to be in the light. So back in the box it goes. Very, very pretty. And then the last thing in here is a palette, y'all. So I'm always happy about a palette. This is CatLady London. It's not my favorite eyeshadow formula. This is super heavy. So anyway, this is I Am a Woman palette. I think this has been around a little while. Oh, it says new launch. New launch. Didn't we just have a women's palette by CatLady London in the summertime? Maybe it was something else. A stunning range of 24 complimentary eyeshadows, blah, blah, blah. Let's just look at it. $45 value? I'm not so sure about that. I just don't love CatLady London. I know some people do. I just don't. To me, it's not my favorite. But let's see. Let's see what it looks like. Like I said, it's very heavy. $45 value. Wow. Ooh. All right, let's see. Inside is a little pamphlet. Oh, see, this says it's a new launch. Come on now, really? This has all the women on here. I swear I've seen this before. Maybe it was an Ipsy. I don't know. I don't think I got it before. Anyway, it's all about the women that are named on this palette. And I know to all the amazing women, we see you, we hear you, and we celebrate you. That's what it says on the back. And it's beautiful. It just looks like the sleeve, the packaging. And it does have a mirror. And let me put this over it because these are people's names, all women's names, all powerful women's names. It's a beautiful palette, beautiful. Lots of mattes, several shimmers, very, very pretty. Good. It's a neutral palette with some spunk to it a little bit. I like it. I love this purple right here. That's Amelia Robinson. There's Hattie McDaniel, Amelia Earhart, Joan of Arc, Junko Tabay, Ella Fitzgerald, Ruth Bader Ginsburg, Rosa Parks, Claudette Colvin. There's all, 4 times 6. There's 24 women named on here. How wonderful. And this is really, really beautiful. Really pretty, y'all. I'm thinking that we've seen this palette before, and then it must have been an Ipsy. Because I remember this last year. Is March like Women Month or something. Yes, it is. International Women's Day was, so I think it might be from last year from Ipsy. But that's okay. It's it says that it's a, well, except that it says it's a new launch. I'm going to investigate that because is it a new launch? I don't know. It's not new. My understanding of what when it says new brand to Boxy, it means the brand has never been in Boxy before. This is new launch because CatLady London has been in Boxy for a long time. So they're saying this palette, I Am a Woman palette, is a new launch. So maybe it is. Maybe it's 24 more women from the last palette was different. Maybe. Anyway, y'all, this is a great box. I am happy with this box. I'm very happy my last box is a great box. This is valued at $182, this box. We have the toner, the beautiful toner in the glass bottle. Love it, love it, love it. This lippy is gorgeous. I love it. We have the Il Maquillage mascara. We have the Aceology. Fantastic. Can't wait to do one of these masks. Intensive repairing, biodegradable mask. And the gorgeous palette. So this is the kind, Boxy, like finally got it right. I shouldn't say it that way. They get it right a lot for me. Sometimes they don't get it right, but this is what I want in my Boxy. Just like this. One skincare item. Well, this is a skincare. Well, yeah, this is good. I like it. I like it. I'm not complaining about this. So I like it. And I am anxious to see what's happening in April. So they're going to use, even though it's going to be called Boxycharm by Ipsy, they're going to be very similar to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So we picked for that on April 2nd, on the 2nd of each month. The 2nd and 3rd, they give you the 2nd and 3rd. So like it's morning. I don't know if that's going to change. It used to be like 9 o'clock in the morning for Ipsy. 9 o'clock my time, Central Time. So I don't know what, whatever that is your time. Boxy would always choose at 12 o'clock Eastern Time, which was 11 o'clock my time. So I don't know if they're going to change that timing, but they do say that April 2nd is our next pick, our pick date. So used to be with Boxy, you would pick like the second Monday of the month. So that could be anywhere from like the 8th or so to the whatever that could be, 16th or something. So, excuse me. I'm just really excited. Hopefully, I'm hoping to be excited for what's new, for what's coming. So, thank you for stopping by to see my very last Boxycharm. And thank you. And I'm going to keep this box, I think. I usually use the boxes for sending out giveaways, but this one is big. This one would cost a lot to ship. So I think I'll keep it as a remembrance. So, and this, usually the base box is pink on the inside, but this is, because this is a luxe box. It even says right there, this is a box for the luxe. So they're getting rid of everything. So I think I will keep this box and put something in there. Not sure what, but anyway, y'all, I'm gabbing, so let me stop and let you go. Take care. I'll put pictures on Instagram if you're interested, and count your blessings, everybody. Bye-bye.